In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error. Start a server on Replit to see the hosted output. If your Replit preview is blank or says you need to start a server, it usually means your files aren't being served by a running web server. Static files like index.html need to be served so the preview can connect. We'll fix that quickly using a short, reliable prompt and Replit's built-in agent. First, open Google Gemini. We're going to grab a concise explanation and prompt that makes this process foolproof. Click the highlighted guidance, then choose the option that says you already have a website. Next, select the explanation that says the agent just needs to serve your existing files, so the preview window triggers. This is exactly right. Replit expects a server listening on the correct host and port. Confirm the highlighted text so you have the wording handy. Now switch to your Replit project. Open the project where your website files already exist. Open the agent or assistant panel inside Replit. Click into the message box and paste, or choose the suggested message that appears. Use this exact request. I have my website files ready. Please create a server script using Express or a simple static server to serve my index.html and other assets. Make sure it listens on port 3000 and host 0.0b00 so the preview works. If you see that suggestion in the UI, click it to insert. If it appears again as a confirmation, click it once more to proceed. Then continue, and send the request to the agent. The agent will generate a small server for you, typically an Express app or a simple static server. Wire it to port 3000, and bind it to 0.0.0.0. That host setting is important because it allows Replit's preview to connect. Give it a moment to install dependencies and start. If you're on a slow connection, wait until the console shows the server is listening before refreshing the preview. Also ensure your main file is named index.html and that your asset paths are correct so the server can find everything it needs. Once you see your site rendering in the preview, you're ready to share. Click the banner or button that says you can publish the app in one click. Follow the highlighted steps, and then choose Publish. Replit will package your running server so others can access it from a shareable URL. That's it. By ensuring a simple server